When you click on the Open Share Tray button in the meeting toolbar, a share tray appears from the bottom of the screen. Depending on whether you're accessing Teams through a browser or through the desktop app, this will look different. This video is showing the share tray as it appears through the desktop app. At the top of the share tray is the Include System Audio checkbox. Check this box if you want participants to listen to what you're sharing on your screen. For example, if you're sharing a video, audio file, or application, you might want to check this box. The rest of the share tray is divided into 4 sections, each with a different heading. Think of these as columns. Everything underneath that heading is content relevant to that heading. In this video, we're going to look at the first 2. The first column is the desktop column. The number of options here depends on the number of screens you're using. Each screen will appear in this column, and you can select which one you share. Everything visible on that screen will be shared with those in the meeting. The second column is the window column. This column shows you all open applications on your device. You can scroll down the panel to see the applications that are available to share. If what you want to share isn't there, it's likely that it isn't open. So open that document and click on Open Share Tray again. Choosing an application from the window column will share only that application with others in the meeting. This is a more secure sharing option. If you navigate away from that application or close it, others in the meeting will not be able to see anything else that's open on your device.